Good morning, good morning, good morning. Dismantling the old paradigms requires commitment. It requires full focus. It requires the full knowledge and the full faith that you are standing in the truth, that you believe in yourself, that your higher self is operating through you. Because remember, when you align with source, everything else flows. And the beauty of this dismantling starts within you, because the kingdom is right here. So what does that mean? It means one must stand in their own truth and in their own light and never dim it. It means one must let the circumstances and the emotions of your entire life and whatever storm you're in, we must let that flow and pass through, never allowing it to move our peace, never allowing it to shake our commitment, never allowing it to diminish our faith. Standing in that truth is so imperative, especially right now. That truth is the only truth that's going to get you through, because all the dismantling that starts within you, we will be seeing and are seeing everywhere. And this dismantling is going to shake people. However, I encourage you to stay strong, stay aligned, because it will not break you. It will only make you stronger. And trusting in your faith, trusting in the process, allowing yourself to stay strong and centered and in peace throughout any complexity will get you through the day much quicker. And as you practice this more and more and rinse and repeat, it will get you through the week, through the month, through the year, and then you'll skate through life with ease and peace and joy. I hope this helped. Love you. See you tomorrow.